Good morning to my esteemed faculty members, including principal, vice principal, teachers, and everybody else here who just got out of bed just to come to this assembly. My name is Seongyum Songrai. I'm from 11th Science D, and I stand before you today as a candidate of SRC President. I'm here as a SRC President candidate not just to seek a title, but to earn an opportunity to serve, represent, and deliver what the student body needs. Our school right now is like a website, and I'm pretty sure everyone here has been using a website or either way connected to it. So how many of you have had a problem with ads? A lot, right? So it's kind of frustrating, and yet we all still wait for the next update to fix it. Well, fear not. I'm here to be your ad blocker. But what I can say is that I may not be able to sing like Anil or make voices like Killer Abkil. But what I can do is I can represent you in any type of form. Well, allow me to answer the question of why you should vote for me. Let's be honest, student leadership is not about empty promises or flashy slogans. It should be about listening, acting, and to ensure that the student council works for you. Another thing is that student voice is something that not only should come out during election season, but it should be there all year round. What I cannot promise you is magically to make your exams disappear or extend our vacations, but what I can promise you is that I can serve you all well and empower all of you. If elected, I will fight for practical, meaningful improvements that make campus life better, one achievable step at a time. Last year, I served as the head of the vice assistants, as the health vice assistant, and before that in Brook School I served as the deputy president, and before that in Thimphu Primary School I served as the school captain. Now moving on to my priorities. First of all, transparency. No more discussions will be made behind closed doors. I will ensure students' forums are open communication channels, and accountability. Because you deserve to know where your representation stands, not just during campaigns, but all year long. For fighting for better library hours for every student, as currently class 11 science stream mainly do not have library, neither do they have HP. So I will try to bring forth the HP periods as well as library periods. Now, third of all, reviewing overlooked clubs. Organizing events that students are actually interested in. So when it comes to this, many of the students, they have different talents in across everything. When it comes to singing, dancing. So when we organize events which are based on student interest, I want every student to feel valued and heard, and be excited to be part of Mudthang. I'm not just asking for your vote today, I'm asking for your trust. I've listened to your concern, navigated through the same struggles as I'm also a student, and I'm prepared to take those frustrations straight to the table where discussions are made. My track record isn't just talk, it's action. Whether as the head assistant last year, or simply as someone who refuses to let the final answer be, that's how it's always been. But I will promise you that I will fight for the things that make student life less and more yeah. So today, I'm not just asking for your vote for me, but I'm asking you to vote for yourself. And together, let's make this year one of progress and not just promises. Thank you, and remember, leaders don't just speak for them, for the students, they fight for them.